Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your X Twitter on Binance. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, you have to open your Binance application in your mobile. So from here, you have to tap on this app icon in the top left corner and now tap on your name here and you will see this option here X. You have to tap on it. Now you have to tap on this I understand and agree and then tap on this connect account. You have to wait a little bit. So once you click on it, if this is your first time, they will ask you to log into your X account. So you have to tap on this sign in, and after logging in, as you can see, mine is login now and my username is showing in the top right corner. Then simply tap on this authorize app and it will redirect you on the Binance page again. And as you can see now, account link successful. So tap on OK, and now you have successfully linked your X or Twitter to your Binance. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.